full stop. Hi, I'm gonna be making a flower crown for the upcoming Ren Fair. I've got these bad boys, and then also that. I'm feeling like fall colors. Garden wire from the dollar store. This stuff's great because it's bendable, but it's firm as well, so I can shape it to my head. And a really old hot glue gun, which I'm not going to touch because it's like the cord's not long enough. And then that's really it. Oh, scissors. I grabbed a wire cutter instead because scissors don't actually cut wires that well. I cut off leaves as well. I've got all these flowers now, and I'm gonna cut more if I feel like it, but I've just got enough now to get started. I love these leaves. They're so pretty. Like, they look so nice with that. Anyways, so I found a spot I like. This is perfect for me. So I now have my perfect circle that I am throwing on my head now, and it's just two rounds of the garden wire because I want it to be a bit more flexible. This is where I'm at so far, and I absolutely love it. Well, it's more so this way. Look at that, that's pretty. I'm gonna add some like less dense parts because I like the look of my hair coming out. Almost like the flowers are scattered in a way. I don't know if that makes any sense, but so I'm kind of just trying to hide the green with some of the actual flowers, but I like to do like dense and then not dense, and then, you know, to keep it interesting. All right, this is the final look. It is very beautiful. The colors are so autumnal and just perfect. I love how warm they are. I'm glad I didn't go with the lavender, actually. This is really pretty. Anyways, I'm gonna try it on. Let's see, let's go with like big flowers on the sides, like that. Just like that. I mean, is that not pretty? I feel like a princess, like wearing the pink, but I'm actually going for like Hobbit in the Shire. I'm loving this. I feel so pretty. I feel very feminine and like a princess, and that is all that matters. Alright, so I will now show you my outfit that I wore. My makeup's kind of like dying. I'm all sweaty, but so I had this white linen dress and this white bustier from Garage. These are the things I already had. And I also had this, so I knew I was gonna go light colors, so I just thrifted this. It's like this gingham skirt, and I kind of scrunched it up. This bag that I also used to put everything together. I was gonna tie it up around like the belt, but I couldn't be bothered, so I just wore it like that. And I got these cute earrings as well. I love them. They're like little mushrooms, and I got this ring from the fair.